Araw siyak. Oy! First 3 points of the game for PJ Escare. 3-0 is our score, first quarter. Dinards pass to Sutanghon. Diharo uses his body. Basket for 2 points. Diharo. Zamora for 3. Wala. Diharo with the board. Foul from behind. It was Lidres who committed the foul. Team Adobo. Assyrian 1-1. Egyptian Empire 0-2. Zamora meanwhile lays it up and in for 2 points. Principe, wala. Diharo, wala. Babay skies for the rebound and basket for 2 points. Nice play by Babay. Number 0. Notada. The brother of Patrick Notada. Dinards favorite shot. That's good.
Dilyaba.
Lays it up in for Dilyaba. Notada again. Yung bali, wala. Babay with the board. Outside, ball out of bounds. Ball remains to the Syrian Empire. Last touch. 7 minutes and 20 seconds. Jonas. Pass to Sutanghon for 3. Wala. Off the mark. Rebound Escare. Escare was good ball. Pass to Zamora. Stop. Pop. Short. Escare offensive rebound. Escare jump shot. It's good for 2 points. 5 points already for PJ Escare in the opening quarter. Jonas pass to Adi Bulanon. Review game of Adi. Dinards, oh, nice spin move, nice pass. Turnover. Zamora. Basket. 9-6 is our score, first quarter. Dinards. Pass to Sutanghon. Jonas slicing it down. There's a foul committed. Foul number 10. Second personal foul on J. Poy Lidres. Jonas Babay will trip to the free throw line. First attempt for Jonas is good. Second attempt. Wala. Rebound. Goes to Jonas. Oh, nice tap to Diharo for 2. Good tap by Jonas Babay. So lucky Diharo.
Score 9-all.
9-all is our score. First quarter. Escare, no good. Notada uses glass for 2. Good shot by number 18, Notada. Oh, slicing the defense for 2 points. Dilyaba making it looks easy. Deadlock at 11. Escare pass to Notada all the way to the rack for 2 points. Good finish, good pass from Escare. 13-11 is our score. 5 minutes remaining. Principe, teardrop, wala. Good defense by Lidres. DJ Villarete, pass to Villarete for 2, basket.
Villarete.
Villarete for 2. Number 21.
Timeout, Australian.
I'm out, green team.
1 minute 44 seconds remaining time in the first quarter. Score 15-11 in favor of Egyptian.
Addy, jump shot, short. He is Addy with a board. Notada kapag nabuho, Notada, wala. Jonas, good rebound. Outlet pass to the Nerds. Dilyaba, good defense by Zamora. Grabe, depensa. Zamora, pass to PJ, basket. Oy, the Nerds escapes and scores for Dilyaba. Attempt by Scare, wala. Ball remains to the yellow team. Scare for Trey, wala. Rebound Liharo. Liharo ball fake to Sutanghon. Principe, wala. Jonas, wala gyapon. Second attempt, basket.
Foul jersey number 2 is Mari. His first personal foul.
Second serving is good for Jonas Babay. He will shoot his free throw. And completed the three-point play.
3-point play by Baba.
Jepoy, wala. Addy with a rebound. Good. Pivot-pot, wala way kagiyo ah. Dinard slicing the defense and then foul. This time called number 11.
Zamora is first personal foul.
Oh, stolen by Zamora. Zamora, third layup of the game already. Katatlo ko na ito makita nga daw ka-easy layup for Zamora. 19-16, way gapon gabi ang score. The Nerds, pass to Jonas, teamwork, basket. Jonas is hot in the first quarter. PJ Scare, wala. Good rebound for Addy Bulanan. The Nerds, basket for 2. 18-19 is our score. Sorry, make the 20-19 with that layup. JD Villarete, short on the attempt. Babay with a rebound again. Easy layup for Dilyaba. 22-19. PJ Scare for 2. Stepping on the line. Notada, basket. Reverse layup for Notada. 1 minute 20 seconds first quarter. Liharo to the Nerds. The Nerds pass to Addy. Addy jump shot short. Notada against Babay. Good defense by Babay. One-on-one play. Addy for 2 short. Bulanon again, second serve. Bulag yapon. Liharo. Liharo, good defense for Iscare.
14
Notada.
seconds.
Notada.
Notada.
Basket for Notada. 25-22, 35 seconds.
13 seconds.
Turnover. Notada.
Foul,
That's
jersey
foul.
number 0, bye-bye. His first personal foul.
Short. Oh, wala tawo. Oh, sorry, miss. Miss photo. White ano. Sutanghon. Sutanghon got her for
Winning points,
three.
Principe. 5.
5 seconds. Finally, Principe scores. Notada.
And our first quarter score 25-26 in favor of Egyptian. Second
Second quarter, ang score natin 28-25 ah. Anunas, bago lang nag-slot, nagtira na yun or in and out. Terno naman si Prejade ba? Ribadomia, jump shot is good.
Rebatomia.
First attempt basket for Ribadomia. Janelle is beat it. The Nerds. Nice foul.
Foul, jersey number 3. Ventura in first personal foul.
Nunas, good bull movement. Sastrado, pass to Babay. The brother of Jonas. No good. Ruruhain. Ventura, meanwhile, shoots 2 and scores 32-25. Nunas to Deliaba to Janelle. Janelle for three. Long rebound, Ribadomia. Bironia to Ribadomia. Ribadomia against the Nerds. Pass to
The block 10.
Ventura for three. Short. Oh, wala box out kay Ruro. No good. Kaway ba? The Nerds. Wala. Good defense. Ribadomia. Rivera was fouled by
Foul,
Anunas.
jersey number 61, Anonas, his first personal foul.
Beriber first attempt, wala. Second attempt for Jan Beriber is good, 1 out of 2. Anunas for 3,
3
bang!
points, Anonas.
3-pointer for number 61, Jade Anunas. First 3 points of the game. Score 33-28 in favor of the orange team.
Hine.
Meanwhile, Hine turnaround jumper is good. 35-38. Ito pa din ang ginalaot sa green team. The Nerds to Babay to Jade Anunas. Another three, short. Rebound again by Anunas. Anunas. Oh, no foul. Ribadomia uses glass and scores for 2.
Ribadomia.
38, sorry, make that 37-28. Second quarter, 6 minutes and 40 seconds. Anunas Pass to Babay. Back to Anunas. Taway-taway. Basket. Jade Anunas. 5 points already across his name. Oy, good deflection by Anunas. Ribadomia.
Good defense, shot clock 10.
10 seconds to shoot.
Shot clock 10.
Ay, wala tawo. Taom nga pasa. Good inbound play from Ribadomia to Haen. Anunas corner three. That was short. Babay. Pass to Anunas. Back. Pass to Jinel. Jinel. Back to Anunas. To the Nerds. Good ball movement. Basket. Great teamwork for the green team. Beriber. For three. Wala. Over the backward. Anunas to Sastrado, jump shot, that's its range, short. Beriber was fouled.
Jersey number 30, Babay's first.
Beriber back to the free throw line, first attempt basket. (32-40), 5 minutes remaining. Second attempt, Beriber basket.
2-point play, Beriber.
3 out of 4 for Janjan Beriber in the free throw line. The Nerds. Cross pass to Anunas. Jump shot, three-pointer! Wala! Tadlong na eh. Good deflection and a steal for Janelle. The Irit. Pass to Sastrado. Sastrado picks. Good defense for Uruhain. Ventura for two.
Ventura.
Reserve timeout. Green team. The Nerds jump shot. Wala. Beriber with the rebound. Beriber. Wala. Uro to Ribadomia for two.
Ribadomia, 2 points. Time out.
45-32.
3 minutes 47 seconds remaining.
Anunas for three. Short. Beriber. Beriber against everybody. For two. Gabit-bit. The Nerds. Turnover. (47-32), 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Anunas has fouled. Well,
Jersey
to the
number
free throw
3,
strike.
Ventura is second personal foul.
2 free throws for Jay Danunas. First attempt, short. Second attempt, basket. 1 out of 2 for Jay Danunas. Score 47-34. 3C ang ginalaot sang Green Team. Nakakambak ay Han para sang ligad niya. Oh, Janelle Irit. Easy 2 points. Ruru as foul.
Foul jersey number 30, Babay, second personal foul. Shooting foul.
Wala, 0 out of 2. D-Nerds with the rebound. Outside. Turnover for D-Nerds. Deriver, Ventura to Ribadomia. Deflected. Janelle to Jayden Nunes using left hand. Wala. Abaw kanugon to. Tapos na rehab ni Jade. Ribadomia, wala man. Babay, good rebound. Pass to the Irit. Save. Anunas. Oh no, look pass to Sastrado was
Foul
fouled.
jersey number 14, Ribadomia is first.
Sastrado. Wala. Sastrado, second attempt. Basket. 1 out of 2 for Katie. Beriber. Wala. Rebound. Basket for Beriber. Sastrado. Stolen. Oy, still. Sastrado. Sastrado, left-handed shot. Wala. Apal. Oy, agaw. Ay, kanugon. Ribadomia. Beriber. Pass to Ribadomia. Taway. Wala. Sastrado, rebound. Foul. 40 seconds. Anunas for Trey. Wala. Kickball.
Kick ball.
Another turnover. Oy, grabe si Janelle. 15 seconds. Anunas, 15 seconds to Dilyaba. Signature move was fouled.
Foul jersey number 7, Piranha. His first personal foul. Shooting foul, 9 seconds remaining. 14 foul.
9 seconds. Sastrado to Dilyaba. Jump shot. Tapal. Beriber with a rebound. 3 seconds. 2, 1. Beriber. Almost got a foul.
And the second quarter score 37-49.
49-37. End of second quarter. Third quarter. PJ Scary for Trey. Wala. Scary. Turnover. Adi Bulanon. Riharo. Riharo the Principe. Riharo. Babay. Basket.
Babay.
Lefty. 49-39, 10-point lead. Zamora, wala. Ball tap to Iscari. Iscari, pass to Beriber. Basket. Diharo fakes. Diharo nagpalapit. Kabos. Notada rebound. Pass to Zamora. Zamora, stop, pop. Wala. Notada with a rebound. Notada, wala. Good defense from behind. Notada, outside.
Outside.
Mulano.
Traveling
Violation. Scare. To Zamora. Zamora. Zamora side step. Wala. Gets its own miss. Wala Japon. Good rebound for Adi. Pass to Principe. Principe. Step back three. Bang! 3-pointer for Principe. Siyam na lang. Ang ilalaot sa green team. Zamora for three. The repair was fouled.
Foul for number 27, Diharo in third personal foul.
Beriber basket count plus the foul.
Foul number 24, Bulano is third personal foul.
Beriber will shoot his bonus free throw. Basket, 3-point play for John Beriber. Lead back to 12. 7 minutes and 15 seconds, third quarter. Adi, jump shot. Wala. Beriber, another rebound. Beriber. Good stop for Diharo. Zamora. 3 seconds. Violation. Jonas. Pass to Adi again. Wala. Good pass. Adi couldn't finish. Jonas. Ball was loose. Adi Bulanan again. Wala. Notada basket. Is moved. Six minutes remaining. Principe for three. Short. Diaro rebound. Dwight Awo. Basket. 56-44. 12-point lead. 5 minutes 50. Third quarter. Villarete for three. Principe, another three. Short. Now. Zamora for three. Basket. Three-pointer. Lead goes up to 15. Principe for three.
3 points, Principe.
Another 3 points for Principe across his name. Scare, double team. Pass to JD Villarete. Open triple. Basket. 3 points for Villarete. 5 points already in the game for JD. Babay jump shot is good. Good shot. Zamora against Babay. Good defender. Yun yung mga defensador si Jonas. Biriber! Biriber again! Why may gatapal? Dominating the points in the paint for John Biriber. Diharo. Sabay to Adi Bulanon. Wala jabon. Still couldn't by a bucket. Good steal for Diharo. Diharo, pass to Adi. Pass to Babay. Babay, wala. Diharo hustle. Ball goes to Nutada. Good behind the back. And was fouled.
Foul, jersey number 0. Bye-bye. Second personal foul.
Iskari for three. Rebound Nutada. Taas lumpat ba? Nutada to Biriber. Biriber. Basket counts plus the foul. Kapila na itong foul basket ba? Dominating the points in the paint.
Personal foul.
Out, Adi, ball tap to Diharo. Bulanon to Principe, corner three, bang, bang, bang. Principe, another three. JD Villarete, short. Ball goes to Iskari for three. Wala. Bye-bye. Wala ako ang bola. Nutada. Pass to JD Villarete. Open three. Bang! Three-pointer for JD Villarete. Another three. Catch and shoot. Dua ka ba? Bay in the game ba? Principe for three, foul!
No. Foul, jersey number 11. Zamora is second personal foul.
Dikit ng
3-point play for Principe.
Three free throws for Principe. First attempt, basket. Second free throw. Basket. 2 out of 3 na. Make that. Oy, wala. Talikod na may pasyon. 2 out of 3. Kare. So, Biriber gathers. Wala. O, Principe. Ito, huwag kay Jonas. Jonas, bye-bye. That's easy. Bye for 2. Tracy. JD Villarete. Wala. Not that time. Biriber. Basket. The rebound. Principe for three. Wala. Rebound Biriber.
15 seconds.
Biriber again. Oh, wala ito siya. Oh. Another scores. I was fouled.
13.
Uy, tapal. Good. Good luck. Bye-bye. Diharo. To Principe. Basket. 14 seconds. 73-58. JD Villarete.
rebound by Mutada. For
Mutada shooting 2 free throws. 2 seconds. Biriber.
Birber.
Seven, 58. Fourth quarter. Dako-dako ding lalauton. 77-58. The Nerds. Still turnover. Nagadagan na si The Nerds. The Nerds! Ginano ya gina. Agya ba? 2 points.
Foul jersey number 7, Beronia is second. Personal foul.
The Nerds, wala. 17 ang inalaot sa green team. Anunas. Ito siyang bola. So, Principe, layup, basket. Oh, pila lang, 15 na lang. Amat ba do? Roro, jump shot, basket. Pwede pinisa sa tunga, oh. The Nerds! Wala. Dua gatapal ba? Ribadomia to Ruro. To Ribadomia. Side. Anunas to Principe. Good pass to Principe. Wala. Ruru in and out. Bye-bye rebound. Pass to Dilyaba. The Nerds. The Nerds. To sa Estrado. May kantuan din pasa kay Anunas. Kay Principe for 3. Bang! Good pass from Anunas. 3-pointer. Lidres. Ribadomia was blocked. If there's a foul. Ribadomia first attempt. Wala. Second attempt. Basket. 1-2 for Ribadomia. Nunas. Wala. The Nerds foul. The Nerds wala. Yung boarding na lang na niyo. Ruro. Tapos Estrado. To Anunas. Basket. O, 12 na lang. Oh, Beronia for 3! 3-pointer for Captain Dan Beronia. Anunas wants to answer. Wala. In rebound. Ventura, 3. Wala. Duha sila nagagawa sa rebound. Ribadomia. Ventura, wala. Sadya sila. Mas foul.
Foul, jersey number 7, Verona. His third personal foul.
The Nerds. So, Principe fakes. Principe! Wala, gyapon. Up. Violation. It's problem.
Time out, Australian. Lifting violation. The block 14.
Roro jump shot. Wala. Good box out for Ken Babay. Babay. Pass to Principe. Principe. Oh! Separation. The Nerds. To Anunas.
Shot clock 14. 10.
Anunas. Pass to the Nerds. Fakes.
5.
5 to shoot.
Foul, jersey number 23, 44 seconds.
Anunas. Pass to Principe. Principe at there. Foul basket.
3-point play for Principe.
Three-pointer for
Foul, jersey
Principe.
number 10, South Fisher.
Dakpan
This
rin, boy.
is his third personal foul.
Dusi na lang. Principe, basket. O, 11. 11 naman si good defense. Beronia, pass to Roro, basket.
5.
The Nerds. Wala. Roro all the way, foul. And scores for
Foul, jersey number 30.
Adi. Uy, turnover. Very bear.
Foul.
Very bear. Basket. Adi. Wala. Three minutes. 35 seconds.
Shot clock 14. 10. 5.
Ventura for Trey. Wala. Ball goes to Adit. Pass to the Iret. Iret to the Haro. The Haro for 2.
Biharo.
Turnover. The Haro. The Haro was fouled.
Foul, jersey number 7.
Sab.
Bologna is fourth personal foul.
Addy finally scores. Zamora for Trey. Wala. Ay, wala box out. Ball goes to, oh, may tawod na. Di Haro. Oh, wala. Kanugod. Ay, turnover. Sunugo no, na-score na nito. Nunes for Trey, wala. And a rebound. Roro high and jump shot. And Nunes block. The Nerds. Gampang sila yun. Zamora, wala. Titig ka. Madala ba?
Foul jersey number 27, the Harley Sport personal foul. 1 minute.
And for Trey, wala. The Rivero, difficult take. Scores again. And Nunes basket. 38 seconds. Domi wala. Scary rebound. Basket.
Scary.
The Nerds is foul.
Foul jersey number 23, Hani. 6 seconds.
Na-score pa kasi the Nerds. Uses glass basket. Wala. 3 seconds. Great game. Final score 96-80. Winner, Team Assyria. Make that team Egyptian.
This player of the game.